A leading pharma company was manually creating various MIS reports using Excel, MS Access, etc. Approximately 7 to 10 team members were involved in the procedure. The entire process was taking an enormous amount of time, resulting in delayed reporting and decision making. INT developed an MIS automation solution to automate the end-to-end reporting process. It pulls in raw data from various source systems, wrangles it, and makes the data ready for the visualization layer. Power BI gets the data structured and cleaned and makes highly secured reports through row-level security of Power BI. Advanced accessibility features maintain the privacy of data relevant to stakeholders. With this solution, a lot of manual tasks have been removed. Timely and error-free reports are getting generated and shared with the relevant stakeholders for strategic decisions. Operational expenditure came down by almost 60% year over year.